Okay, so this is the follow-up to yesterday's video drying my parts manuals. So it runs, we got it moved over here, started right up, no problems. However, the problem of the leaky sunroof is that the drains are not loose, they are clogged. But I think it's more than just that, see? I don't know how well you can see in here, but in this corner, there's a drain. When the sunroof is closed, this little float opens up, and down there's the drain. So I pulled the headliner and everything out, looked up under in here. I pulled the little dealio out, the thing that connects the drain to the hose that goes down this pillar. And so it was seated on there properly. It wasn't loose. So I figured, okay, it must just be clogged, not a big deal. We'll just blow some compressed air through there. So I tried some of this. Not enough pressure. So I tried this, and also not enough pressure. Which means, Houston, we have a problem. So the water was running all the way down this pillar into the glove box, filled the whole glove box up with water, and then dripped onto the floor. So now the problem is this clog, but I don't think it's a clog. I think what happened was this windshield is new. I think when the knuckleheads installed it, they probably glued it where the drain goes, and I don't think it can drain now. I don't think it can come out the bottom of the car like it's supposed to. I think I'm boned. And it's the same way on the driver's side. I look at that, and there's a pool of water collecting in that corner too. But I don't think it leaked on that side because the passenger side was lower. So, yeah, I don't know. I guess as a temporary solution, I can start parking with the front higher than the back, and then hopefully it'll drain down those two drains and down the B pillars. But I don't know how I'm going to do this. I mean, I don't know if I can take this up and maybe have access to the drain and get rid of that glue, or what, or if I'm going to have to get some of my own hose and then run, pull that connection off where it's going to the clogged part, is run my own hose up above the airbag in here and then run it up there through the glove box and then try to get it down out under the car. So I don't know. That has to be the problem, because I don't see why an air compressor with like 60 plus PSIs I could not blow a clog out. There's no clog that's that big, especially considering how small the drain hole is. It's only like 1/4 of an inch. So how big of something can you get lodged in there? Not much, I wouldn't think. So I don't know. I guess for now I'm just gonna have to park it uphill if I go out anywhere, and hope that solves that problem temporarily until I can either figure out. So I don't know. If anybody knows, let me know. If you think if I can pull this up at all, and maybe underneath of there is what I need to fix, and it's as easy as that, or if I'm going to have to buy some hose and do it on both sides and just run my own hose, above the airbag and down out under the car or something. All right. Peace.